Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. I just want to show you the results of the chicken chili that we made. This is our bowl. This is what it looks like with a little bit of cheddar cheese. This is sharp cheddar cheese on top of this. It is amazing. So if anybody tries this, please let me know, okay? And I want to give you guys the word of the day today, and this is going to go into for the October giveaways, which is the 7,500 subscriber appreciation giveaway, which will be probably mid-November. And the word of the day for this video will be chicken chili. So how this works, because we have a lot of new subscribers, when I say the word of the day in one of my videos, you usually have to listen to the end to get it, or somewhere in there, so you'll need to listen for the whole video. You comment in the comment section with the word of the day, and you'll know which video that has them because it'll be hashtag WOTD. And when you do so, you will get a little key and probably a hug from me, little emojis down there. And when you receive that key, you'll know that you're entered into the giveaway. If you don't receive a key, you can let me know either in the comment section by commenting the word of the day again, or you can email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com, and I will be sure that you are entered. I don't want anybody to go unentered, and I don't want to miss anyone. So that's how this works. And then for each video that has the word of the day, there will be one prize for that video. Sometimes I might combine the two. Sometimes I might have a grand prize winner out of all the winners of all the videos. So it's going to work a little bit differently as we go along. And you will have until the day before we do the drawing to enter that. And I will let you know well ahead of time when that'll be. So tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, California time, we will be doing our 7,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you have entered and commented on all of my September videos from September 1st to October 13th and received your key, you will be entered into the drawing. So I hope to see you guys there tomorrow live. In order to be eligible to win, you need to be a subscriber. You need to like the videos, so hit that like button, and you need to comment the word of the day. And that's it. Just show up, be present to win your prize, and have a good time. It'll always be canning equipment and things like that for giveaways. Canning books, De-Bubblers, sometimes canning jars. Tomorrow we're giving away a water bath canner. You never know with me what I'm going to give away, so good luck to everyone tomorrow, and to all of my new subscribers, welcome to our community, and I look forward to seeing you in our next giveaway. If you haven't entered already from yesterday, a lot of you guys have. So again, welcome to all my new subscribers, and good luck to everyone. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe if you do. If you're not already subscribed, we have a lot of things coming up. Sometimes I do traveling videos too, but not too often, just every once in a while. Lots of self-reliance videos, and our beginning canning series will be next Tuesday, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be a lot of fun. We'll be going through the USDA book and the ball canning book on all of the basics, and it will be a series, short videos, probably every day, and we will go from there. So I hope to see you guys soon, and really enjoyed this collaboration. Thank you again, Jenny Goff, for including me in this. It was really fun, really amazing, and lots of really cool recipes. Man, I am writing down these recipes. These are really good recipes, you guys. So have a good evening, and I will see you guys soon.